Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. If you are upgrading your PC build and searching for the best ARGB PC Case Fan, you are in the right place. Today, we're checking out a fan that promises strong cooling and stunning lighting at the same time. Let's take a closer look at the Thermalright X3 ARGB PC Case Fan and see what it offers. Let's get started. The Thermalright X3 ARGB PC Case Fan is a 120mm fan designed for modern gaming and performance systems. It is built to keep your PC cool while also making it look amazing inside the case. Cooling and style go hand in hand here, and that is what makes this fan stand out. One of the key features of the Thermalright X3 ARGB PC Case Fan is its intelligent 4-pin PWM control. This means the fan can automatically adjust its speed based on your motherboard temperature. When your system is cool, the fan runs slower and quieter. When things heat up during gaming or heavy tasks, it can reach speeds up to 1500 RPM to push more air through your case. This smart control helps maintain the right balance between cooling and noise. Speaking of airflow, this fan delivers up to 66.17 CFM of airflow, along with strong static pressure of 1.53 millimeters H2O. In simple terms, it moves a good amount of air and can push it through tight spaces like heat sinks and radiators. This helps remove heat efficiently and prevents thermal buildup inside your system. Even with that strong performance, the Thermalright X3 ARGB PC Case Fan keeps noise under control. It runs at about 25.6 dBA, which is quiet enough for most setups, so you get powerful cooling without turning your PC into a loud machine. Durability is another strong point. The fan uses high-quality SBDB bearings. These bearings help reduce vibration and minimize fan blade wobble. Less vibration means less noise and smoother operation. It also helps extend the lifespan of the fan, so you can rely on it for long-term performance. Installation is made easier with its extended 55cm cable. This longer cable is very helpful when you want to daisy chain multiple fans together. It gives you more flexibility inside larger cases and keeps cable management cleaner and simpler. Now let's talk about the lighting, because this is where the Thermalright X3 ARGB PC Case Fan really shines. It features high brightness atomizing ARGB fan blades. The lighting looks soft and evenly spread across the blades. Instead of harsh spots of light, you get a smooth glow that enhances the overall look of your build. It supports up to 17 lighting modes, and you can sync the colors and effects with your motherboard software. This allows you to create a unified and customized style that matches the rest of your setup. In terms of versatility, the Thermalright X3 ARGB PC Case Fan works great as a standard case fan or paired with a CPU cooler. It helps channel airflow efficiently, keeping system temperatures lower and maintaining stable performance during demanding tasks. If you want strong airflow, quiet operation, long-lasting durability, and eye-catching ARGB lighting, this fan checks all the boxes. This could be the perfect upgrade for your PC build. Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your setup. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.